Namaskaram and Swagatam to my channel, dear friends. Today we are going with a verb A series, and today we are going to learn the verb jump in Malayalam. So let's see that. To jump in Malayalam is chaduga, chaduga, and the other word I am using in this video is she. She means aval. So the first sentence, aval chadugayanu, aval chadugayanu, or aval chadunnu. She is jumping. അവൾ ചാടുകയാണ് or അവൾ ചാടുന്നു. She is jumping. അവൾ ചാടി. She jumped. അവൾ ചാടി. She jumped. അവൾ ചാടും. അവൾ ചാടും. She will jump. She will jump, which is future tense. Sometimes this word chadum is used to represent the meaning of escape. Like if someone is saying like jail chadi, it means escaped from jail. Okay, but chaduga is the exact word for the verb jump. Okay, so the fourth sentence. അവൾ ചാടിയിരുന്നു. അവൾ ചാടിയിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. She had jumped. അവൾ ചാടിയിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. അവൾ ചാടിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. അവൾ ചാടിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. She has jumped. She has jumped. അവൾ ചാടുമായിരിക്കും. അവൾ ചാടുമായിരിക്കും. She may probably jump. അവൾ ചാടുമായിരിക്കും. അവൾ ചാടിയിരിക്കും. അവൾ ചാടിയിരിക്കും. She will definitely jump. അവൾ ചാടട്ടെ. അവൾ ചാടട്ടെ. Let her jump. അവൾ ചാടാൻ പോവുകയാണ്. അവൾ ചാടാൻ പോവുകയാണ്. She is going to jump. അവൾ ചാടിയിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. She might have jumped. അവൾ ചാടിയിട്ടുണ്ടാകും. She might have jumped. അവൾ ചാടണോ. അവൾ ചാടണോ. Should she jump? അവൾ ചാടണോ. Should she jump? അവൾ ചാടില്ല. അവൾ ചാടില്ല. She will not jump. അവൾ ചാടിയാലോ. What if she jump? അവൾ ചാടിയാലോ. What if she jump? അവൾ ചാടുകയായിരുന്നു. She was jumping. അവൾ ചാടുകയായിരുന്നു. She was jumping. ചാടിയാൽ മതി. Jumping will do, or jumping will be enough. ചാടിയാൽ മതി. So those were our 15 sentences using the verb chaduga, which is jump in Malayalam. So that was the 13th verb in that series. So how do you feel about all these videos that we are learning? Some of you are asking about posting videos regularly, but the fact is that I'm posting regularly. I'm posting at least one video a week, and if I'm skipping any, I am trying to keep up the pace and I'm bringing another videos to compensate it. I still am not set to a routine, so it is very difficult for me to put more than that. Now I was able to put more videos like previously, like 1 or 2 months before I was able to do like that, but I am no more able to post like that anymore. So I'm posting one video a week right now. Once I set it to a routine, I will definitely update that and try to put more videos during a week. But I'm still posting regularly right now because I'm posting at least one video a week. So I think that is something regular. But anyways, thank you for your comments and thank you for your support. Please do comment. Use the comment section to ask your doubts and suggestions, and if you are here for the first time, subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching. Namaskaram.